Hello Year 1, it's Mrs Adcock here and I'm going to talk you through your English lessons for this week. All your lessons are based on the story of the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. There's a link to the story on the lesson overview sheet for this week. You need to make sure you've heard the story before trying to complete the work. You might need to listen to the story a few times so you really know it. When you've finished listening to the story, we've made a quiz for you to try and complete. Ask your adult at home to go through the questions with you to see if you know the answers. If you need to go back to the story to find the answers, then do that. Pause your video now to go through the questions with your adult. Okay, let's have a look at the questions and the answers. The first question says, who are the characters in the story? The characters in the story are the 3 Billy Goats Gruff and the troll. The second question says, what did the goats want to do? The goats wanted to cross the bridge and eat the sweet green grass. The next question says, why couldn't they cross the bridge? Oh yes, who's this down here? That's right. They couldn't cross the bridge because a troll lived underneath it and he wanted to gobble up anyone who tried to cross. The next question says, what could the troll hear when the goats tried to cross the bridge? It says this line a lot in the story. The troll could hear the trip, trap when the goats' hooves were on the wooden planks. What did the troll say? I'm sure you know this one as well. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? He sounds quite angry. Why didn't the troll eat the littlest or the middle-sized Billy Goats Gruff? Oh, that's quite a tricky question. The goats told the troll to wait for the next Billy Goat because he's much bigger and fatter. What did the big Billy Goat Gruff do to the troll? Yes, that's right. The big Billy Goat Gruff headbutted the troll off the bridge and into the river, where he went splash. Okay, so this week we would like you to create a wanted poster. A wanted poster warns people about a bad character that might be on the loose. Here are some examples of wanted posters. Who do you think this is for? And who do you think this is for? That's right. So which bad character do you think we need to do a wanted poster about? That's right. We definitely need to do a wanted poster about the troll because he's the bad character in the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Now, wanted posters tell us what the bad character looks like. So, how can you describe the troll's appearance? Again, his appearance means what he looks like. Pause your video now and have a chat with your adult at home about how you could describe the troll and about how you could describe what he looks like. Okay, let's have a look at this sheet. There's lots of things here, so we need to think about what his eyes look like, what his skin looks like, what his teeth looks like, what his claws look like, and what his hair looks like. Now, I might say that he has blue eyes, because he has got blue eyes there. And I might say that he has dirty skin. Have a go at looking at the picture of the troll to try and describe what the rest of his features look like. The last activity for this lesson is for you to sequence the pictures of the story. That means put them in order of how they appear in the story. Tell your adult at home about what happens. Pause your video now to have a go at putting these pictures in the right order. In the next lesson, we would like you to describe the troll's character. That means what type of person he is. So, is he friendly? Is he kind? Is he mean? Is he happy? Okay. What sort of character is he? And what did he do in the story? Think about what he might have done in the story. Think about if you were to see him at school, why you would go and be friends with him. Okay. Pause your video now to have a chat with your adult at home. I've written some words here to help you describe some characters. Not all of them describe the troll. Have a look at the words. Using your phonics knowledge, try to sound them out. If you need any help, ask your adult at home. Then I want you to decide which of these words describe the troll and why. So, if I have a look at this first word here and I sound it out, kind, I need to think, is the troll kind? I don't think the troll is kind because he wants to eat the 3 billy goats gruff and he doesn't want them going over his bridge. So he's definitely not kind. So I wouldn't use the word kind to describe the troll. But if I had a look, this one here, and I sound it out, bad, I definitely think the troll is bad. He's a bad character because he wants to eat the 3 billy goats gruff and he doesn't want anybody trip-trapping over his bridge. So have a look at those words and see which ones describe the troll. For your activity today, I've written some words on your sheet. All you have to do is circle the ones you think describes the troll's character. When you've done that, put the words on these lines to make a list. When you've done your character adjectives, I'd like you to have a go at drawing a picture of the troll for your wanted poster. Have a go at drawing your picture. In the next lesson, we are going to recap the words we used to describe the troll's appearance. You might have said that he has blue eyes or that he has dirty skin. Tell your adult at home all the adjectives you used to describe what the trolls look like. Pause your video now. In this lesson, we would like you to use your adjectives in a sentence. How could we start our sentence? What words could we use to describe the troll? Have a think about some sentences and tell these to your adult now. Before you write your sentence, remember our steps to a super sentence. It needs to start with a capital letter. It needs to have a finger space after every word. It needs to end in a full stop. And when you've done that, you need to check your sentence, read it again, and make sure it starts with a capital letter, ends in a full stop, and has finger spaces in. So, I'm now going to have a go at writing my sentence. Now, I'm writing about the troll. So I think that is what my sentence is going to start with. I'm going to start my sentence with the troll has, and then I'm going to choose one of my adjectives from here. I'm going to describe his skin, and I've said that he has green skin. Oh, what do I need to put at the end of my sentence? That's right, I need to put a full stop. When I've written my sentence, I need to go back and read it again. The troll has green skin. Then I need to check to make sure it starts with a capital letter, which it does. Then I need to make sure I've got finger spaces, which it has. And then I need to make sure I've ended my sentence with a full stop, which I have. Have a go at writing some sentences using your adjectives about the troll. Here's a challenge. See if you can use two adjectives in one of your sentences. So, if I was writing about the troll's skin again, I might say, the troll has dirty and green skin. Okay, I've just used two adjectives there in my sentence to make it a little bit longer. Okay, I've still remembered to put in my capital letter and end in my full stop, and I've still got finger spaces in my sentence. Have a go at writing some sentences about what the troll looks like and about what the troll's character is like. So your sentence for what the troll's character is like could be, the troll is very mean. And he's mean because he wanted to eat the 3 billy goats gruff. Have a go at writing some sentences now. In the final lesson of this week, we would like you to put everything you've done this week into a wanted poster. You need to draw a picture of your troll in this box here. When you've drawn a picture of your troll, we would like you to put your sentences that you wrote on the last lesson on these lines here. You need to make sure you write your sentences in your best handwriting. You need to make sure that you remember our steps to a super sentence. Remember to start your sentence with a capital letter. Remember to end it with a full stop. Remember to have finger spaces in between every word. I've really enjoyed looking at this lesson with you. Have fun with your English learning this week. And don't forget to upload all of your work onto Class Dojo so your teacher can see it.